How to unsend an email in Outlook. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you have already sent the email, unfortunately, you'll not be able to unsend it. But for the future emails, you'll be able to set the times until when you'll be able to unsend the email. For that, click on the option File. Click on the option Settings. At left, you can see various options. Click on the option Mail. Right over here, you can find the option for Compose. Click on it. Now you can access various options. Scroll down. Right over here, you can find the option for Undo Send. Drag the slider to the right. Select 30 seconds. Click on the option Save. Now it has been saved. Now whenever you send the email, you'll have 30 seconds of window in order to unsend it. Let me show you by composing the email. Here I'm composing a new email. Let me add the recipient. Now I'll add the subject. Now I've composed the email. I'm just going to click on this option Send. Now you can see over here email is being sent. You can click on the option Undo within 30 seconds. Now the email will be unsent. Like this, you can unsend an email in Outlook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.